Hey there! Are you facing issues with your controller not responding while enjoying PlayStation Remote Play? This guide will show you how to fix controller not working on PlayStation Remote Play, ensuring a smooth and seamless gaming experience. Whether you're on a PC, tablet, or phone, we've got you covered with effective solutions to get your controller up and running again. Step 1. Verify controller compatibility. Before diving into complex troubleshooting, start by ensuring your controller is compatible with PlayStation Remote Play. The DualShock 4 and DualSense controllers are officially supported. If you're using a third-party controller, check the manufacturer's website for compatibility details. To verify compatibility, connect your controller to the device you're using for remote play via Bluetooth or USB. For Bluetooth, put the controller in pairing mode by holding the PS and share buttons until the light bar flashes. Then pair it with your device through the Bluetooth settings. Step 2. Update controller and device firmware. Outdated firmware can cause connectivity problems. Solve this by ensuring both your controller and device firmware are up to date. Update controller. Connect your controller to your PlayStation console using a USB cable. Go to Settings, Devices, Controllers, Update Controller, follow the prompts. Update device firmware. For smartphones, go to the System Updates section in your settings. On Windows or Mac, check for system updates to ensure you have the latest version. Step 3. Check PlayStation network status. Sometimes connectivity issues can result from network problems on PlayStation's side. Visit the PlayStation Network status page to verify there are no outages or maintenance which might be affecting remote play services. Step 4. Adjust remote play settings. Tweaking some remote play settings can often fix your controller issue. Follow these steps to optimize your setup. Launch the Remote Play app on your device. Go to Settings, then select Video Quality for Remote Play. Adjust the resolution and frame rate settings to a lower option if you experience lag or latency, which can affect controller responsiveness. Disable power saving options to ensure your device maintains a stable connection. Step 5. Reconnect the controller. A simple reconnection can resolve many pairing issues. To do this, disconnect and unpair the controller from your device via Bluetooth settings. Restart your device. Reconnect your controller using the specified pairing process mentioned in Step 1. Step 6. Use a wired connection. If you're still encountering problems, try using a wired connection. Connect your controller to your device using a USB cable. This method reduces latency and ensures a stable connection. By following these steps, you should now be able to fix the controller not working on PlayStation Remote Play. Remember to verify compatibility, keep your firmware updated, and adjust your settings for optimal performance. Whether you're using a wired or wireless setup, these solutions aim to provide a seamless gaming experience. Prioritize your gaming enjoyment by ensuring everything is set up correctly, and stay tuned for future updates from PlayStation and device manufacturers. Happy gaming, and may you enjoy a lag-free remote play experience.